calculate the iterated integral. So we have double integral of this function. So this is same as work this inside, integrate with respect to y, and we get a function of x, then integrate from 1 through 4. Okay, so let me rewrite in this way. This is same as 1 through 4, and here is 1 through 5 with respect to y. So this x on the bottom, that behaves like a constant, so we can pull that outside here. So that's on the bottom, so 1 over x, and inside is now ln y over y dy, and everything in terms of x. So I want to work this separately so that I don't have to copy everything. So here 1 through 5 of ln y over y with respect to y. We got a fraction and there is no quotient rule, so we need to do some type of substitution. Ln y, that's more complicated, so we let ln y be u, and derivative of ln y with respect to y is 1 over y. That's what we have here. So let ln y be just u, then derivative is 1 over y dy equals du over dy, so I will write dy equals du. Okay, then we can go back here and change. This is ln y is u, and times 1 over y dy, 1 over y dy, that's du. Now we need to change these limits, because these limits 1 through 5 are for u, so for y, but our new variable is u. So when y equals 1, so u equals ln 1, so u equals, these are for y. Now we need for u, that is given from this. When y equals 1, ln 1 is 0, and when y equals 5, u is ln 5, so this is ln 5. Now we can integrate u with respect to u, so this is just u is square over 2, it's like x square over 2, and we go from 0 through ln 5. Now upper limit here minus lower limit, but the lower limit makes 0 square over 2 just 0, so upper limit, so 1/2 ln 5 is squared, so 1/2 ln 5 is squared. So this is in fact 1 through 4, 1 over x. This is just 1/2 ln 5, which is a decimal number, squared, and dx. Okay, now let's integrate with respect to x. This is constant, by the way, simple constant. We can pull all the way outside. 1/2 ln 5 quantity squared, that leaves 1 over x, and the antiderivative of 1 over x is just ln x. We don't need absolute value because we are working on positive intervals, 1 through 4, earlier 1 through 5, so we did not need absolute value. And we go from 1 through 4 here, so 1/2 ln 5 quantity squared. Okay, upper limit ln 4 minus ln 1. ln 1 is 0, so just ln 4 minus 0, don't have to write, and this is another decimal number, final.